Most people don't even realize when they're being controlled. Manipulators don't shout. They don't threaten. They operate silently, in the shadows of your mind. Today, you will learn the 5 dark psychology techniques manipulators use to control people, without them ever noticing. Every manipulation begins with trust. A manipulator never attacks first. They disarm you first. They show kindness. They listen carefully. They pretend to understand you deeper than anyone else. Why? Because when trust is built, your guard automatically drops. And once your guard is down, your mind becomes an open door. Guilt is the strongest emotional weapon. Manipulators use it like a switch. They twist situations in a way that makes you feel guilty, even when it's their fault. You hear lines like, "I thought you cared about me. You never understand me. Fine, I guess I'm the problem." This creates emotional confusion, and a confused mind is easier to control. Manipulators never stay consistent. One day they're warm, the next day they're cold. They give mixed signals. They change their stories. They switch between kindness and distance. It's not accidental. This chaos is designed to destabilize your thinking, so you rely on their version of reality. The most dangerous method is the fear-guilt cycle. First, they scare you subtly, fear of losing them, fear of disappointing them. Then they use guilt to pull you exactly where they want. This cycle traps you emotionally, making you believe that everything is your responsibility, even their happiness. When manipulators want control, they don't argue. They withdraw. They ignore you. This silent punishment forces you to chase their attention. Apologize first and accept their terms even if you did nothing wrong. If you recognized even one of these manipulation tactics, it means you've already come across a manipulator in your life. Awareness is your shield, and the more you understand dark psychology, the harder you are to control. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And for more deep psychology insights, subscribe to MindHack Psychology and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.